Today we're going to be checking out the Jeep licensed by RedRock rectangular adventure mirrors with embossed Jeep logos in texture black for the 1976 and newer Jeep CJ7 and the Wrangler YJ, TJ, JK, and JL. These mirrors are a great option for Wrangler owners who enjoy driving doorless but still want a reliable street legal visibility with the rugged styling to match their off-road build. The standout feature of these adventure mirrors is their trail-ready design specifically made for doorless driving. When you remove those factory doors, you also lose your side mirrors, something that's not just inconvenient but can also be illegal on the streets or on those public roads. These mirrors solve that problem by mounting directly onto your Jeep, giving you a full rear and side visibility without needing to keep the factory doors on. Each mirror features a rectangular shape that provides a broader field of view compared to the smaller, rounder options. This design reduces blind spots and helps maintain situational awareness whether you're out there on the trail, in traffic, or you're trying to back into a tight parking spot. The mirror's glass is nice, high-quality glass, helping maximize your visibility while minimizing distortion. Another unique aspect is the embossed Jeep logo right on the bottom back of the mirror. It's a subtle design and touch that plays tribute to Jeep's legacy and complements other branded accessories without being too flashy. Combined with this nice texture black powder coat finish, these mirrors are fully adjustable to suit various driving positions, so you can angle them exactly where you need them. These robust mounting arms also help keep the mirrors stable and reduce vibrations, even when you're bouncing around on that rough terrain. These mirror arms are constructed from high-strength steel to ensure they can withstand the abuse of trail use and harsh outdoor conditions. The mirror housings are built to resist impacts from branches, rocks, and road debris, while the texture black powder coat finish adds some corrosion resistance for long-term durability. The mounting hardware is equally rugged, designed to provide a secure, rattle-free fit even during intense off-road activity. Now, as far as pricing goes, these mirrors come in right around that $100 price range. That's a really great deal for Jeep owners who regularly remove their doors and need a durable, stylish, and functional mirror solution that doesn't require any permanent modifications. Installation on this is simple, so it's getting rated just a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and the entire process is going to take you about 30 minutes or less to get the job done. Now let's see exactly how that process goes with an install video from one of our ExtremeTerrain customers.
And here's an overview of the tools. Obviously the Jeep supplied socket, T50, T45 with a 13mm, a 15mm, and a 4mm Allen wrench. That's all you need, nice and easy. All right, so today we're going to be installing these rectangular Jeep embossed RedRock mirrors. I got to start by taking off the doors. So using your Jeep supplied tools. On the bottom. And move the catch. And then next, gotta undo the wires here. Alright, so push the red tab up, little black thing pinch in, lift. Take that off. Your door is now. Alright, gonna take the passenger side out. And take the door catch off again. And same steps that we did for the driver's side. Push the red locking tab up, pinch the black underneath, lift that all the way up, slides right out, off. Nice and easy to take off. Alright, so this is what it comes with: the mirrors, the brackets, hardware. Start, take the nut, it goes all the way up on both. Alright, so once those are on, brackets can go onto the door hinge. Alright, so we've got the bracket. Use the other nut. And you can use a 15 mil to tighten it up. And it's nice and in place. Alright, so you take your bolt, your locking washer, your flat washer, put it in, put your flat washer on the back, and then you can attach your mirror. Screw that in. Use your 13 mil to tighten it up. So that's in there. So you're bolted in, and obviously it still moves. So you just use your Allen key to actually tighten up, and this is where you kind of are able to place it wherever you need it, sitting in the driver's seat, but this will tighten it up to keep it from moving. And you just use your Allen key to tighten it up and you'll be good to go. So now we're on the passenger side. We've already got our bracket arm. So thread the nut onto the bottom. Use our 15 mil. Tighten it up. Go back to the hardware that provided. So the bolt, the locking washer, the flat washer, and then flat washer on the back. Screws right into the mirror. And use the 13, tighten it up. And again, just use your 4 mil Allen key. Tighten up whatever position you want the mirror in, whatever works best for you. And that's it.
That wraps up our review and install of the Jeep licensed by RedRock rectangular adventure mirrors with an embossed Jeep logo in textured black for the 1976 and newer Jeep CJ7, as well as the Wrangler YJ, TJ, JK, and JL. And for all things Jeep, keep it right here at Extreme Terrain.